No website need, no landing page required. Drop a link, earn money online. Watch the video till end.
Today I want to create the best tutorial for a customizable landing page website where you can add your link and share this link to your audience. Watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, warm welcome to my channel Ajay Digital World. Here you get the best tutorial on online money making tools. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What exactly is a Linktree? Linktree is a social media comparison landing page that is available for free. Copy your unique Linktree URL and paste it into the website field of your Instagram or Twitter bio, or share it in Facebook posts and YouTube videos. If you want to join, link in the description box. What is the intention of Linktree? Linktree lets you create a customized and easily customizable page with all of the important links you want to share with your audience. What is an Instagram Linktree? Instagram's policy of not allowing hyperlinks in posts has been cleverly circumvented by Linktree. The idea is simple. You get a short link to put in your bio that, when clicked, takes you to a page with a list of all the links you want to be involved in. Is it a good idea to use Linktree? The Linktree definition is a good one in my opinion. The idea of leading your readers or followers to a single location where they can easily locate all of your social links or content is a brilliant one. It's particularly smart if you only have space for one connection in your bio, as is the case with Instagram. Is Instagram blocking Linktree? Some Linktree links are still being flagged as spam by Instagram, causing the link in your Instagram bio to be blocked and unavailable to your followers. The app creates a Linktree branded landing page to which you can add several links, and you then paste the Linktree branded link into your Instagram profile. Is it appropriate for Linktree to have its own website? If you don't have your own website, Linktree is most likely the best choice. If you have no other choice but to use Linktree to build a list of your web page's links that isn't hideously ugly, then go ahead and use it. Are you able to see who visits your Linktree? Your Linktree dashboard currently shows the number of clicks for each link. If you're using our free platform, you can see a count for clicks next to each page, which indicates how many times the link has been clicked over the course of its existence. The lifetime views feature keeps track of all of your Linktree views over time. How do you make free use of Linktree? Then, in your Instagram profile, copy and paste your exclusive Linktree link. Here's how to get started with Linktree. Step 1. Register for an account. Simply sign up for Linktree using your Instagram account. Phase 2. Insert as many links as possible. Phase 3. In your Instagram profile, paste your Linktree link. Is it possible to make money with Linktree? However, the Linktree ecosystem already has a lot of influencers who are aware of its brilliance. Anyone with an audience may use Amazon to generate a list of items they think their followers would enjoy. When anyone buys something from that list, you get paid a fee, a portion of the sale. What's the best way to make my Linktree clickable? Here are some more ways to put your Linktree to work for you. Point 1. Click on your profile picture in the top left to go to your channel. 2. Click on the Customize Channel button. 3. Select the About tab from the menu bar. 4. Hover your mouse pointer over the Links section and press the pencil button. 5. Compose the relation copy. 6. Copy and paste the URL into the URL box, then press Done. I hope you will really like this tool. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Press the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to share and leave a comment. Good luck.